Good morning, all of you. Students, we are doing the chapter soil, in which we did up to exercises A, B, C, and D. Now, today I am going to explain the questions of exercise E. Question number 1 is classify and explain the categories of soil on the basis of texture of the soil. On the basis of texture of the soil, it is classified into three categories: sandy soil, clay soil, and loamy soil. Now, what is the difference between all these three types of soil? Sandy soil have particles that are bigger in size and there is large space between them and it is filled with air. The soil have large particles that are bigger in size. The large space between them are filled with air. They are well aerated. Such soil cannot retain water as water can drain out quickly through spaces between the sand particles. Next is clay soil. The soil have higher proportion of fine and smooth soil particles. There is very little space between the soil particles. Such soil cannot retain air. Clay soils can retain more water. Third one is loamy soil. It is a mixture of sand, silt, and clay particles. It can hold both air and water. Loamy soil has humus also. Question number 2 is differentiate between infiltration rate and percolation rate. Infiltration rate, the rate at which water enters into the soil is called infiltration rate. The rate at which water enters the soil is called infiltration rate. Percolation, the rate at which water moves through the soil is called percolation rate. Now question number 3. Write a short note on composition of soil. Composition of soil depends on the nature of its parent rock and the quantity and type of organic matter present in it. The following components are generally found in the soil. Inorganic substances. Inorganic substances present in the soil are derived from the parent rock. Second is organic materials. This includes dead and decaying parts of plants and animals, animal excreta and residue of soil organism. Third is soil water. It is generally present in the spaces between the soil particles. Then soil air. Spaces between the soil particles contains air. Soil air is important for the respiration of roots. Now fifth component of soil is living organism. A variety of organisms are found in the soil. Question number 4. The type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil. Give 3 examples in support of the statement. The type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil. Cereal crops like wheat and legumes like gram grow well in clay and loamy soil. Such soils have good water retaining capacity. Paddy grows well in soils that are clayey and rich in organic matter and are therefore able to retain water. Loamy soils that drain water easily are ideal for growing pulses. Cotton grows well in well-aerated soils that drain water easily. Hence, sandy loams or loamy soil are preferred for growing cotton. These are the examples by which we can say that the type of crop that may be grown in a particular field depends on the type of soil. Question number 4. What is soil erosion? How can it be avoided? The removal of uppermost layer of soil by natural agents such as wind and water is called soil erosion. It can be avoided by extensive afforestation practices. This involves planting of trees on bare lands and nearby fields, avoiding overgrazing And overuse of land also helps in preventing soil erosion. Question number 6. Why is it said that plasticity and cohesion play an important role in the workability of a soil? Plasticity is the property that enables moist soil to change its shape on application of force and retain this shape even when the force is withdrawn. On this basis, sandy soils may be considered to be non-plastic and clayey soils to be plastic. The tendency of similar particles to stick to one another is known as cohesion. Plastic soils are cohesive. Plasticity and cohesion reflect the consistency and workability of the soils. So students, we have completed exercise E and all the exercises of the chapter get completed today. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.